Stop! Hear that buzz? That's trouble whispering. I'm Mr. Electric Medic, hunting a sneaky, buzzing lamp. Rule 1. Switch off and unplug. Safety first. Check the bulb. Tight, no scorch, no wobble. Inspect plug-in cord. No heat, cracks, or frays. Still buzzing? Power off. Call a qualified electrician. Mission complete. Spot danger. Check safely. Spark-free home.
Hear that buzz? Not a bug. Electricity complaint. Buzzing or cracking can be loose wires, frayed cords, or a tired socket. Ignore it, and that sound can go louder. Then smoke, even fire. Let's investigate like safety detectives. Step 1. Unplug and look. Check cords for frays, plugs for burn marks, sockets for looseness. Tell a grown-up or a pro. Be bright, be safe. Buzz equals check.
First rule, safety first. Don't touch the lamp, plug, or cord while it's buzzing. Step back, tell an adult. If you're the adult, turn off power at the wall or at the breaker before touching anything. Put on safety gloves if you have them. And get a voltmeter ready. My favorite detective tool.
Working on a lamp? Let's cut power the safe way. Step 1, if it's dry and safe, unplug the lamp. Step 2, unsure. Go to your breaker and switch the room off. Step 3, use a voltmeter. Confirm 0 volts before touching. Never use wet hands and never put anything into outlets. Breaker off, test, safe. Stay bright, stay safe. Here's the safe way to cut power. Step 1. Unplug the lamp, only if it's easy to reach and your hands are dry. If you're unsure, head to the breaker box and switch the room's breaker off. Now test the lamp with a voltmeter to confirm there's no power. Remember, never use wet hands and never stick anything into outlets. Breaker off, then test, safe. Share this to keep your home and crew protected.
Now let's look for signs of trouble. Frayed insulation or exposed copper. Big no. Scorch marks or melted plastic are danger signs. If a socket wiggles, stop and fix it. Gnawed, worn, or brown near the plug. Unplug. If the lamp base feels warm when it's on, unplug it. Stay safe. Do a quick visual check before you use. When in doubt, replace damaged gear or call a pro. For little fixes, not electrical repairs, you can tidy cords with clips. Replace lamp bulbs with the correct wattage and tighten loose lamp screws. Use cord covers and never run cords under rugs. But if wires are frayed or the outlet is damaged, stop. That's a job for a licensed electrician.
If the cord is cracked or the plug looks burned, replace it. If the lamp switch sparks or the base is cracked, retire the whole lamp. Always buy a replacement cord or lamp that matches the appliance's rating. The info is on the lamp or owner's tag. Safety beats thrift when flames are a risk.
Got a nicked cord? Let's zoom inside the wire. Electricity is tiny particles called electrons racing through metal. If the insulation breaks, electrons can leak out and make heat. Heat plus dust and fabric can start a fire. Small damage, big risk. Inspect cords often. If you see a nick, unplug and fix it safely. Prevent sparks before they start. Safe cords, bright ideas.
Power off first. Tools ready. Safety on. Remove the lamp from power. Breaker off. Confirm before touching. Unscrew the base. Keep parts organized and note wire positions. Replace the cord or socket with the correct rated part. Match specs. Reassemble carefully. Secure wires and strain relief. No shortcuts. Test with a voltmeter. If you're unsure, call a licensed electrician. Safety first. Bright results, zero bravado.
Prevention matters. Here's your quick checklist. 1. Use the correct wattage bulbs. 2. Keep cords visible and off carpets. 3. Don't overload floor sockets. 4. Use quality surge protectors. 5. Replace damaged cords immediately. 6. Keep liquids away from lamps. Make this a weekly habit. Safety takes practice. Do the weekly safety check.
You solved the mystery. That buzzing lamp was a warning sign, not a toy. Remember, if you hear buzzing, step back, turn off power, test with a voltmeter, and call a pro for repair. Now, safety challenge. After this video, check one lamp at home for frayed cords or wobble. Fix what's safe and tell an adult nonetheless. Comment below. I checked my lamp and become an official power.